Today we discuss the approaches of the study of local government. There are three stages of local government approaches. First one is decentralization approach, devoted approach, and third one is good governance approach. First of all, I discuss the decentralization approach. Local government is any country's need as it is possible for a single authority directly to undertake the performance of all those duties adequate, effective and efficiency. In effect, the central government has neither time or nor requested knowledge of all diverse problems which are particularly to the different area. It means that the decentralization means to devote the authority of government and divide it into all administrative units or local bodies. The principle is accepted and followed in England and in many other countries. It is inherited right to conduct affairs in its own way. The central government does not interfere in affairs of local government and it does not supervise the activity of local bodies. It is supervise the activity through grants in aid. It means that students जो सेंट्रलाइज गवर्नमेंट होती है उसके पास इतनी अथॉरिटी और इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि वो मुख्तलिफ मुल्क के मुख्तलिफ यूनिट्स में अपने ड्यूटियाँ सर अंजाम दे सके. Decentralization government enable people to participate more directly in government process. The best general definition of decentralization is the transfer of responsibility for planning, management and resource raising and allocation for the central government to field unit of central government, ministry of agencies, subordinate units or level of the government, semi-autonomous public authorities and corporation. Area-wide, regional or functional authority of NGOs and PVOs. Decentralization is global term and local government has been empowered in many countries just like Latin America, Asia, Middle East, Africa and Europe. Kellen gave 4 reasons for decentralization strengthen local government, which are: a local body is more acceptable and quicker in response. The allocation of resources can be done most effectively and responsibility of each outlay and given to the level of local government, which is most close to the beneficiaries. Local development asset is reducing cost. If the local feel that the money is their own, then they are more likely to watchful and expenditure. And fourth one is development program undertaking with public participation permit to adaptation to the specific need of the local government. The improvement of the local increase the sense of ownership and responsibility to the program. The public become stockholder in the success of the program. Therefore, they are more likely to invest their resources and time into advancing the goals of the program. Thus, the beneficiaries who possess ownership of the program are also more likely to ensure sensibility. The fact that the local and involved in the early planning encourage careful monitoring and protection of the result of planning exercise. The federal government lack knowledge about local problem and need. Therefore, the decentralization of power by federal government is necessary and beneficial. The primary source of support of decentralization come into the classical Labour's democratic political theory, such as work of James Mill. He sees both national and local level benefit rising from devoting and mass participation in the formal political structure as in the local government, local level. Thus, decentralization will be understood as the devoting of the central provincial government of specific function, while all the administrative, political, and economic attribute that these entail to the local government, which are independent of the center and sovereign within. Legally delimited geographic and the functional domain. Decentralization and the various benefit. First one is source of popular participation. Under decentralization, local government provide a platform for genius participation of the people in grass level government affair. By participating, people become more active and extra influence to the greater degree on the local government than to the central government and the development better. Second one is political educational training. Third one is efficiency. And fourth one is division of the labor. Fifth one is best solution and cooperation collaboration. These and last one is wider diversity. These are the most beneficial fisheries of the decentralization government. Wider diversity. Decentralization provides the opportunity for a wider diversity of the innovation flexibility, which create greater scope for the local government and can be applied to the problem, vision and aspiration of local community, which will be helpful for national building. Decentralization scheme is generally and usually combination of three types, depending on the particular purpose of the approaches. Nevertheless, the devotion type evidence given the quite frequent perspective for achieving governance and the economics